Hey guys, hi everybody, how are you? So, after a long time, I came back once again with the hottest topic. Now, what is this hottest topic? That is the very head-breaking decision. That is how to choose a life partner in arranged marriage. Now, why I have taken that in arranged marriage? The thing is that in cases like arranged marriage, we don't know person each other because here both the parties are from different families. So once again, I would just like to say that in my the location where just now I am, here the nearby construction is going on. So you might be hearing a lot of like background noises and all. So I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, now so as I was discussing the topic, that is so before I would like to start, I would like to tell you one thing, that if you are watching this topic, the very most thing, please subscribe to my channel and also please give me likes to it. Now, why it is a very much, headache to make a decision. The very first most thing what I do, we don't know the two parties how they are, because both of them come from different families. Okay, so marriage is something in Indian society like which is very I can say it's important. Okay, because we as a institution in our society, the family is given marriage is given much more importance. Now just I would like to tell you some of the few important things, that if you prefer arranged marriage, the first most thing what you need to do is that, the suppose if you are a girl, you need to check out what how much is my partner's income. Okay, whether he has a permanent job, where he is working, and how much he earns. So there are now many people saying that love is everything, but friends, practically is it so? Without money can we live? I'm not saying, girls, that you don't earn. Still, if you earn, but it is our responsibility to check our partner whether he is earning or not, or whether he has a permanent job or it's a temporary, whatever may be. Okay, so it's totally depends. So how much assets he has? If at all no asset, but I'm not saying that you just choose anybody who is a rich karodpati. No, any average middle class will also we can prefer, not a problem. So basic thing what you need to do is that check whether he is earning or not. I'm not saying that you marry a rich person, I'm saying whether he is earning. See guys, because what happens, the nowadays expenses are much more. So we can't marry a person that those who is not earning, especially for for girls we are saying. For boys, it's your choice whether you want a girl with a job or without job. It's totally your choice, correct? uh, Now the second thing, the foremost important thing is that we need to have an open discussion. What I mean is that open discussion in the sense is that we need to speak to each other. But nowadays in many society, in my see, I belong to a family in Kerala. I am born and brought up in Mumbai. Still, my native is in Kerala. So here in arranged marriages, they rarely give a chance to speak to one another. If at all they are given a chance, they ask just okay, speak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now friends, tell me, within 5 or 10 minutes we come to know each other. So it's very most, whereas in other communities, if you see the people, just go on dating, they will go they go to restaurants, they go to some public places, and they will have a talks, correct? So at least when you meet the person within 5 or 10 minutes, you can judge. You can't judge a person. So we need to have a very, very healthy conversation. Now, in what do I mean? See, mostly in marriages, what happen? It might be through sites you are getting it. It might be through your brokers. So if it is through a site or a broker, so nowadays the boys are very smart, even the girls are very smart. Many things have been manipulated. Some, because even many parents have been they train their kids that you speak in such a way, you speak in that way. Guys, won't you think that it is your life? It's your life, right? So whatever you likes, your dislikes, what you want, what is the preference for your partner, everything, you just make a note of it. You write in a piece of paper what you want, rather than what your parents say that you need to answer, you need to speak to this thing to the boy. You need stop all those things. It's your life, guys. It's your life. It's not your parents. Your parents life is over. I mean, they have brought up you and everything, so they are happy. Correct. When it comes to your own life, make a chart. What are your likes and dislikes? Both thing goes to boy and both thing goes to girls. Okay. The very first moment, the first day when you see a partner, so as I said that only it's maybe a conversation for 5 or 10 minutes. So now, just I said that in my family, that is, I belong to a very orthodox family. So we don't have that much freedom. Like within 5 to, rarely we get a like 5 to 10 minutes where we can speak with that particular person. So very smart thing what we can do is that whenever he or she they come and they visit you, they see you, ask that particular person a number, the phone number. Correct. Try to them. Some people might give you, some people might not give you. So directly don't ask to their family members. Whenever, if you have got that opportunity to speak with a particular girl or a boy, ask their WhatsApp number. So ask the WhatsApp number. Okay, directly don't call them. At least have one sort of like chat, so that through the chatting you can come to know at least what are your likes and dislikes. Now, point number 3. Now, when I say that, what are the likes and dislikes? Many things are there. When it comes to relationship, you need to know what does your partner likes and not likes. For a girl, there might be many girls who doesn't like the guys, those who drink. Now, the drinking is a problem. If the boy who drinks, some people are, some girls are there. They say that in a week it is okay, but daily for a drinker, it's a problem for her. Some girls don't like the person who is drinking, so it is a problem. So tomorrow if she gets married to that kind of a boy, so it might be a problem for her. So if you're a boy, so you need to first have a conversation with your that particular girl, that say frankly, openly, that I like to do drinks, like or not like, whatever is there. If you like, speak frankly that yeah, I uh, I love drinking at least a week. I test, because I'm not that kind of drinker. I earn, so sometimes like in a year, in my parties, I drink. Now it is the choice of the girl whether she want to go ahead or not. Please speak openly, whatever may be, because tomorrow it can be a problem for you. See, why does the divorce happens? Because things are not being properly conveyed to each other. Correct? So if you convey the problem, okay, first of all, why there should be a problem? If you speak and open up to that particular person, so tomorrow you won't have any sort of problem. Correct. Next thing, okay, now there are two types of men. There are two types of men. What I am repeating is that is, the taste may differ from each other. There might be a men who want their wife to be working and working. What I mean that there are some, like men who says that no, you need to work at kitchen. I'm not speaking about office, kitchen. If even though they have a maid, still they prefer the wife should cook food, not only for him, for his parents also. So the boy who has some sort of, like condition that see, more than that girl, your family very well, so be like open, like my mom is so and so kind of a person, she prefer a girl who cooks. Okay, so whatever that girl is there, make it very clear to them. I don't know, might be she like or not like, but tomorrow if the girl is not very familiar with cooking, she will have a problem, and you will be also having a problem. And not only you, your family will also have a problem. So why to take such note of tensions, or why you want to create a problem in your life? So be clear to that point. I'm not saying that okay, the men shouldn't have such kind of thinking. It's it depends on family to family, individual to individual. It's their personal thinking. I don't have any sort of opinion to it. Okay. Okay, now it depends upon the girl whether she want to come in your family or not, or probably if she rejects also, not a problem, dear, there are next girl, you can get it. Correct. Okay, the main thing is that why you want to get suffered. Correct. Now the second thing, there are some men who just like the woman always to be well dressed. She needs to be very beautiful, because there might be if he is a good position, so his friends might visit to his home, so he wants always his wife to be well dressed. No, it depends. So this has to be openly conveyed to her. What should, if she is little bit like traditional, so you can speak to your that particular person that no, please be well dressed up, do like hair straightening. Please be open to her, so that if she doesn't like, she will only say no to you. Okay, then she is not fit for you, so she can look her way and you can look your own way. Okay, so this is the second thing. Correct. Now point number 3. Okay, even girls has also their dislikes. Okay, now girls, many girls prefer a boy who is well shaped. There are some girls who like their partner should be like having like mustache, like beard and everything, mustaches and beard and everything. That is each one individual's point. So ask them, so ask your that fiancée whether she likes or dislikes. If she dislikes also, but in case if you like, please you say that no. If she says that I don't like a person with the person with like big beard or with most stitches, I don't like. Then if you like, then speak openly to her. You don't like, it's your problem, but I love to give it. Be very open. Don't sacrifice for some others, because if you sacrifice for somebody else, you might be in a problem. Okay, so if you like the way, you live your own way. Correct. And even girls, whatever is that, you look your own way. Similarly the girls, now there are girls with a lot of fashionable, a girl who spends in a beauty parlor like 2000, 3000, 5000 rupees. So girls, please speak to your partner. See, I am very used to it. I go to the parlors, I spend like 5000 rupees, 10,000 rupees for smoothing my hair, because I used to do. Whether are you capable? Will you like this? Because I am used to it and I love doing it. Will your family like this? Because if she does it, but if the opposite, I mean the next opposite partner doesn't likes it, it can create a problem for us. Because if he is I mean he's a miser, I mean who don't like spending in such kind of things, so he might have a creating a problem. Say, even though if it is her money also, he will think that no, it is, she is wasting the money. So tomorrow if you say to that particular girl, she will feel that insecure kind of feeling, or if your parents will say that, it will be an insecure feeling. So girls, please speak to your partner that if you are like much more fashionable, who does like manicure pedicure, who just want to go to the beauty parlor, spend like 1,000 to 5,000 10,000 whatever maybe, speak to your partner whether you like it or do you have any problem for that. See what will happen if the person doesn't like. So boy also have to say openly to them. And boys, please speak openly. Don't think if this girl is not there, you will get somebody with your own standard. Okay, so guys, here neither I am supporting girls, neither I am supporting boys. I'm totally speaking like very neutral, guys. Next is, now see, now speaking about the thing, now we know how our busy schedules are. Okay, now the next thing is that many of the people, when you say that you are working, right, so what kind of a job you do, please speak very clearly. Why I'm saying that, see, as a person, I myself work in a industry called BPO, correct? So now many of the people have a problem with BPOs. They think that it is not a decent job because some similar negativity within that kind of the people smoke everything. But we know that how we are, correct? It is not necessary for every people. Every people have its own own kind of character, own kind of behavior. But some people have that kind of a mentality. So whenever anyone comes, be clearly speak about what kind of a job you are doing. Okay, because tomorrow when once you get married, if that person comes to know you are working in a BPO and this is the person who doesn't like a people those are working in BPO, it will create a problem for you. And similar, both the parties will have a problem, and similarly the family will be also having a problem. Why? Because I see, because if you see the normal, not only in BPO, whichever industry might be you might be an actor, you might be a model, be crystal clear to them that this is the kind of profession I am into it. I don't want to leave my job. Correct? If I'm an air hostess, this is my shift and everything. So these are the things. Correct? Be clear. See, last to last, what will happen is that if the opposite person doesn't like, he will reject you. Let it go to hell. Let them reject. You will get any other person. Correct? Now, secondly, because why I said, because let's take my own thing. I am a person who works in PPO. Now the other factories or other companies, they have only just 8 hours of duty, whereas in our line, being a trainer, because I belong to that category. I'm not a telecaller, I'm a trainer. So some training, and I also take care of the quality. So if too much, so when I manage the both the things, it is not possible to complete the work within 8 hours. Sometimes even I stretch for the next 2 hours, because if I am taking training, if I have to make sure that quality audits also should happen at a time. So I stretch a lot, like 1 or 2 hours. Now being a single person, I don't have a problem because I'm staying with my parents. But the same thing, if my partner doesn't like, so it will be a problem for me and for him also. So whatever is there, you have to speak it openly to them. See, these are the things I need to stretch. So tomorrow if you come late at home, so the opposition, the partner should not question you, or neither their parents also. So in the beginning, if you make it very clear, so they won't create any problem. The most thing, these people will reject you and they will find somebody, what kind of a person they need, they will find. Correct? So please be very openly to it. Now the second thing, the first and most thing is that when you enter into the relationship, when you are thinking about the marriage, second thing is plan your family. um, the thing what I'm saying, that plan your family is the thing, like you need to set up a goal. All right, do you want right now, whether you want a child early, or whether you want a child after like a year or after 2 years. So feel free to speak it. Don't be so shy. correct? Or if you're not interested in it, please be openly to it. If a person is saying that if I have a loan, I mean the opposite partner, so I am right now, I'm not in a position to think about the family and everything, so I'll think, let's, my job is there, I need to be stable, so after 2 years I will think. Okay, that's fine. Okay? So you need to think about this. Now, the next, I mean the thing that comes in the relationship is that many people, due to this, I mean in a very busy city like Mumbai, where people are not, where this comes in the situation where the two partners are like working. For example, husband and wife both are working. Okay, now the situation comes, see, the job is something like the employer will not, you know give you a job as per your wish. This is the truth. Correct. See, suppose if your partner has I mean has a holiday on Monday and you have a holiday on, I mean, Sunday. So now this is a problem for both. How? I'll tell you. See, the entire all the 7 days you people both of them work. Correct. If the girl is like, does the household thing, she might sleep early. The person the opposite partner sleeps late at night. Okay, so both will don't have a time to converse with each other, neither they can't, they can't have a physically contact with each other. Correct. See, now I'm not speaking very straightforward to you, but understand it. So this might be a problem. So in such circumstances, you need to have an adjustment. Now everything you will get, whatever you wish, it's not possible. Somewhere around you need to adjust. Now how this is possible? You need to speak to each other. Correct. You have to be so open minded that you both of them have to think about that, which is the best time, you know, to get physically involved in each other. Correct, because you are like working. Suppose there are a lot of, why I'm saying this point, because nowadays there are a lot of conflicts happening due to such problems. See, the wife, especially this happened in the case of girls, because as I said, many family, even though if she is a working girl, many family want that they don't like to keep maids at home. So she used to go to she need to work at home. She needs to cook food for the her partner and for her family, and after that she needs to go to rush to her office. She needs to catch the train. Then there she needs to work for 8 hours, and after that 8, or sometimes if there is too much of workload, then she needs to stretch for other 2 hours, and again she have to come back to home. Again she just want to cook food. Correct. And if the opposite partner, if he is complaining that no, she doesn't like to, she's no more physically attracted to me. Now you say, how she will be much more physically attracted if she is tired? So you need to have an understanding. Similarly, it also applies to even women also. Some women are so much, if this happens when the girl is a housewife and the boy who is working hardly, and he stretches for a lot of working hours, like he comes late at night, and at that time when she is thinking that okay, should have a physical relationship, but at the same time boy is saying no, I'm not interested in it because I'm tired. Now here also comes a problem. So what I mean to say is that you need to speak to each other. Please need to understand each other. Correct. Now this is the situation what happens like after marriage, many couples are facing, but this problem can be overcome if you speak much more early. Correct. Like, see, everything we can work on it, but the thing is that it's an Indian society, we are not speaking to each other, very frankly. Nowadays it is not too much, we are not too much ashamed to it. Correct. speak very openly. So before marriage itself only you need to speak about the thing, that okay, if you are working for so this is the holiday day, okay, in a week we need to get uh, get physically, we need to get involved in each other in a week. Some people love daily and others. So but what is your like, what is your mentality? Speak each other. The girl will speak aspirationally, let that boy speak. The girl, not every girl does like that. Some girls only prefer to go into physically only that and only in weekends. And some might think that no, yeah, some people will think only for the childbirth. Now it is all each other's thing, correct? So don't feel afraid, don't feel ashamed of anything. Speak, openly speak up everything. So tomorrow I don't want any people to be in trouble. The next and very important, last but not the least, I just want to say that if you have any sort of loans, like 2 3 loans, many people doesn't speak it, especially the boys, has taken much more loans. Earlier with the furniture he has taken loans, and earlier for marriage also he has taken loans. But once the girl entered in his house, every pressure is put on the girls. Now this is not a right thing. If you have a if you have taken home housing loan, speak it to your partner. Tell them, see, this is the early monthly, I have only this much salary, and out of that 15 20,000 I goes EMI, and later hardly only 15,000 it comes in my hands. So what will happen? The best thing is that as per your partner will plan accordingly. If you not speak the truth, so if you say very very faulty dreams, that I am earning this much, like 45 50,000, your partner she will dream of like high. She wants the life to enjoy a luxurious life where you won't be able to do that. Then it will create a problem, and because of why many of the people are having conflicts with the family. Okay, so why people, so these are, see, whatever the points I have discussed, these are some of the reason why people end up their relationship. Okay, so this it was from my side, Jyoti. So whatever the points I have covered, there might be many more points which I have not discussed. Okay, because the video will become too much long. Okay, this was all for today, and thank you for watching my video. And if you like my video, please subscribe to it, and also please give me likes, and at the same time please write a mail to me, jyotinayar2946@gmail.com. ठीक है? Okay. Okay. And please write comments to me, I will really appreciate it. Okay, but one more thing, if you like, please subscribe to my channel Jyoti Nair, and please give me likes and share it to your friends and relatives. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a good day. Chalo, bye, keep smiling.